Building things in-house gives us benefit over quality, so we know how it's made and we're able to stand behind it and take care of it.
We have procedures and certain process that everything gets built a certain way so that we can assure quality in our products and everything's the same every time. There's no variances in it.
We're just trying to improve our product on a day-to-day, put out a quality product, something that our customers can use effectively and make their business go a little smoother.
We just kept getting better and better and better equipment to be able to do a little bit more than what we was before.
What we're looking at all the time is making the product safe, reliable, and economical for us to manufacture it in a more efficient manner and being able to use safely. It's probably the key thing, what I'm looking at when we're designing stuff, and still get the job done in a safe way.
We try really hard to always make sure the customer is satisfied with the quality and what we have.
That's just what we're striving to do is build a better product, have a better relationship with our customers now. We've always been really good with it and we're just trying to make it stronger. We don't outsource anything other than buying the motors and the engine. It's going to be a good quality product. It's made in Livingston, Texas.
I take great pride in what I do and the finished product, and I make sure that everything that I build, when I take it to the paint shop, I know that I'm done with it, it's right, it's done correctly, and that there's no issues with it.
Most of us have been here 20-something years or 30-something years, and that speaks of the quality, the ownership and everything.
I enjoy seeing the finished product. I like watching it go out the door knowing that somebody's going to get good use out of it. I take great pride in what I do.